Hey guys, are you craving for something delicious? I'm going to show you how I make my mini no-bake cheesecake. Now let's get started. Start by crushing your biscuit. Pour into a bowl. Make a well in the middle and add your melted butter. Mix and set aside. Now get your pan, line it with your cake papers, scoop in your mixtures into it. Press down firmly and refrigerate. Get another bowl, pour in your whipping cream and whip till a stiff peak. Set this bowl aside. Get another bowl, pour in your icing sugar, your cheesecake, and whip as well. Add in your chocolate, whip as well. Now fold in your whipping cream. Now get that pan back. Scoop this mixture into it and refrigerate for maybe an hour, 2 or 3. Now we're going to make our chocolate ganache. Melt your chocolate into a warm milk. Mix it till it's well dissolved. Now pour into your pan, and you can refrigerate this overnight or at least for 3 hours to set. And tada! Your mini no-bake cheesecake is ready. Okay guys, this dessert is very delicious, and if you enjoyed what you see, if you know you really enjoyed it, don't forget to like, click that subscribe button and drop your comments so I'll know what to think about this video. Thank you and bye bye.